Hi everyone. So let us see how do we create the segments and master data, like segment and profit center master data. So basically for segment we have to go to SPRO and enterprise structure definitions under financial accounting. Here we can see segment, right? Define the segment. Okay, so it's very simple config, you can say. So we just have to give one code and the description. Okay, that's all we need to give here. Okay, so let us see what is the org structure we have. So for example, segment is this one, T0001 should be the code. So let me find if it is already existing or not. Yeah, it is not there, so I'll create the new entry, T0001, and then the description. Okay, so description is transport solutions. Alright, and then save it. So segment is basically part of configuration. This will generate a transport request. Okay, so we have created 5 segments and we saved it in the transport request and go back. Now if you notice, nowhere we are going to assign the segments. We are not assigning to controlling area, to company code, anywhere, right? It is just simple config wherein we just have to give one code, simple code, and the description we have given, nothing else we have given, right? Okay, so that means segment can be used below the company codes and segment can also be used above the company code. So in detail we will understand, as I said in another video, where I will explain everything about segment, the use of segment, profit center, business area, cost centers, internal orders. Okay, what is the difference between all these org units and what is the use of this basically, so that we will understand in the separate video. So this is a small video just to show you how to create the segment. Okay, so we have created the segment. Now let us try to create profit center now, but before we create the profit center we need to create the profit center groups. Okay, so do we have profit center groups? Let us check. Accounting master data, profit centers. Okay, here, okay, define profit center groups, right? So first of all we need to create the groups. We have created one standard hierarchy, if you see here in the last video, right? This is the one we have created, PC underscore Volvo. So this is the top node. It's kind of a profit center group only, but this is the top level, which is just under the controlling area. Below this standard hierarchy we will have many more profit center groups. Okay, so for that let us try to define a few profit center groups. So this is the one, this is the hierarchy, so click on here. Okay, it's already existing, that's fine. So under this profit center hierarchy we are going to create few more groups, profit center groups. So just select this and click on lower level. Okay, okay, so here again if I want to insert one more level at the same level, so I'll click on the same level. So 4 to 5 groups I'm going to create. So these are the groups basically I'm trying to create. So just copy and paste all this here, and here, yeah, here basically we need to give the code. So this is your profit center groups and this is the description of the profit center group. Okay, click on save. Now we have created the profit center groups, we have created a profit center hierarchy, segments we have already created. Now let us go and create the one or two profit centers. So go to the new screen. The T code to create the profit center is KS0 KE51. Okay, KE51. So what is the profit center we want to create is like this one. B001 is the profit center. Under controlling area, press enter, and here you can give the name. Okay, the responsible person, anything you can give, and profit center group. So let's find from here. You can see this is the standard hierarchy at the top level, and then we have these many profit center groups which we have created. Okay, and so this B001 comes under T0001 transportation solutions group. So we'll select group transportation. Okay, transportation, and then segment. So segment is transportation, right? Segment is also T0001 is the segment. And now let us find from here. So if there are so many entries, you can find from here. T0001, this is the one. Okay, press enter. Now click on company codes tab. If you have multiple company codes here, which we will be having in future, at least one more company code V002 we will configure. So all the company codes under the same controlling area will appear here in this list. So now it's we can link this same profit center to V001 company code, or if we have multiple company codes, there also we can link. And if you don't want to link to other company codes, we can just uncheck this checkbox. So this we want for the company code V001, so we have checked this. Apart from this, let us see this thing, indicators tab. If you don't want to use this profit center, say for example for any reason in future, so you can lock this profit center, so this profit center will not be used for any kind of transaction postings. So for now, this is the basic data we are given, and this profit center can be used only starting from this date till all these years. Okay, before, if I want to post any data in 2022, I would be not able to post because the starting date is year 2023. So let's make it 2022 for safer side, in case I want to test something in the previous year. So that's why I have given this. And before we save this profit center, if you save it, this will save as inactive. Okay, once it is inactive profit center, we cannot post any transaction data in the inactive profit center. So first of all, we need to click on here, activate. Okay, once you click on activate, this profit center will be created safely in the activate status. So this profit center can be used now for any kind of document postings. Okay, quickly let me create one more, or I'll create all these three profit centers. So C001, so we have created three profit centers. Now if you want to see these profit centers at the table level, so we can see in /n SC16N is the transaction code to see the table. So the table is CEPC. Okay, profit center master data table. Here you just need to give your controlling area VOLV and then execute, so you can see all the profit centers. Okay, these are the profit centers created. Okay, that's all for today, and we will see in the next class how to create more profit centers, cost centers, and then we will post the document entries. Okay, I will recommend to go to my channel, and you can see we have a lot of videos created, and this is the series for a configuration guide, S4HANA configuration guide. So you can see all these videos in order. Basically we have around 16-17 videos. This is the 18th videos, so I would recommend you start watching from the first video, so you will get the complete picture and you will like have the proper flow. Okay, so what should be the first config and the next, like this. So you will get the confidence how to properly configure the systems. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you, bye.